How do you fix wall plugs in a plaster tile or autoclaved aerated concrete? AAC. Difficulty level 1 hammer. Delicate wall materials such as plaster blocks or aerated concrete require a wall plug specifically designed to support heavy loads without being torn out. You will need some universal wall plugs, or plugs with a spiral thread, or plugs with fins, chemical plugs, some rolls of masking tape, and some threaded studs. You will need a drill, a hammer, a sledgehammer, an extruder gun, a set of Allen keys, drill bits for the wall plugs, and a screwdriver. Until you know what the wall is made of, drill slowly into it, without the hammer. If the drill goes in easily and continuously, your wall is plaster or aerated concrete. You can tell them apart by looking carefully at the white dust produced. If fine, it is plaster. If a thicker grain, it is aerated concrete. If the drill bit goes into the plaster all of a sudden, the wall is made of hollow blocks. When drilling, use a strip of masking tape, folded in two and stuck to the wall below the drill hole to keep dirt off the wall. Universal wall plugs. For a light load not exceeding 10 kilograms, you can use universal wall plugs. Drill a hole the diameter of the plug plus a little more and to the depth of the plug. Gently tap the plug into the wall, then screw. Plugs with a spiral thread. The sharp points of these metal or plastic plugs allow them to be screwed directly into the hole drilled in dense blocks or aerated concrete. They offer greater load-bearing capabilities. You can use wood or stainless steel screws with plastic plugs. A universal plug sinks into the cavity of the plaster block, but its resistance to being torn out depends on the plaster's thickness and retention and scarcely exceeds 20 kilograms. Universal wall plugs. These plugs may be used for light loads, but to ensure they are not too easily torn out and stay anchored, you should use a longer plug and screw. Plugs with a spiral thread. As with gypsum, these plastic or metal plugs may be screwed directly into holes drilled in aerated concrete. They offer greater load-bearing capabilities. You can use wood or stainless steel screws with plastic plugs. Plugs with fins. These are real anchor plugs, with undercut anchors for use with aerated concrete, and plugs with fins may be easily driven into the drill hole. Drill carefully with a wall plug-sized bit, then hammer home. The acceptable load may be 20 to 50 kilograms, depending on diameter. Chemical plugs. This is used in the construction industry for load-bearing walls. Aerated concrete may also support heavy loads, which should be difficult to rip out, as with shutters in a store. They may support up to 100 kilograms. Drill the hole according to the manufacturer's advice. Remove the dust, inject the resin, and insert the stud. If you use specially designed wall plugs, even supposedly brittle materials such as aerated concrete can support heavy loads.